Terra Luna Classic goes up in price, and then it goes up in price, and then it goes up in price again. Guys, Terra Luna Classic has been destroying it over the last couple of days, rising 50% in value basically over the last week. Now, I know it was just under 50%, right? But going from that 12,000 point per coin range up above 18,000 points per coin, we are at some levels of resistance right now. So we're going to talk a little bit about those. But I want to cover why we're moving higher in a little bit of detail. And this next proposal, this proposal from Ed and that dream team out there that is currently live, that really is going to be shaping the direction in the future of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So let's discuss it, of course. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, anything, you've got KuCoin and Binance. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. Make sure to check those out. But look, any of these centralized exchanges right now, they're a great place to buy, great place to sell, but they may not be a great place to hold. So look into stuff like DeFi wallets, cold storage wallets, and things like that. Guys, let's discuss Terra Luna Classic because it's a little glimmer of hope in this just red sea of death that is called the cryptocurrency market right now. Terra Luna Classic shooting from 12,000 to 13,000. From 13 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16, up to 18,000 points per coin right now. And seems to be defying gravity because gravity is pushing everything else down. But Terra Luna Classic is moving higher. So always be a little on edge when that is happening. Know that you are bucking the trend of the overall cryptocurrency market, but there is somewhat of a reason we are doing this. Terra Luna Classic is currently passing, there's a couple days left, I believe, currently passing the proposal 11.111, which takes that burn mint or the mint skim or burn skim, whatever you want to call it, from the 50% back down to the 10%. Now, this is a huge step forward for the Terra Luna Classic community. Maybe not for Terra Luna Classic developers, maybe not for Terra Luna Classic funds, maybe not for the Terra Luna Classic community pool, but it is an absolute step forward for the Terra Luna Classic community. Why? Because burns are exciting, burns are interesting, burns are what is going to reduce this supply in a way that we can actually one day reach those higher prices. So burns are necessary. And this is exactly what the community wanted. And the good news is, all nodes, Interstellar, LUNC DAO, those big boys out there, those large validators with massive voting power, they voted for the 50% tax. And now they have sided with the community, voting to lower that tax from the 50% down to the 10%. That is a huge indicator that the community is still in charge. Because in all honesty, I thought that they were going to vote it down. I really did. If they voted to support the 50% skim, I thought to myself, this was just 2 weeks ago. How on earth are they going to flip-flop and change their minds and alter their decision in a 2-week time frame? Well, you know exactly how they did it. The Terra Luna Classic community spoke up, spoke out, stuck together, and showed them that we want burns. And hey, I mean, I guess after the Terra Rebels basically terra-bowled everybody, and nobody liked the fact that they were spending $150,000 on Discord moderators, it really showed us that I don't even know if we're at these development stages where we can develop Terra Luna Classic in a way and spend this type of money if it's going to be going towards Discord mods and Twitter mods and stuff like that. So, nonetheless, that is what's driving this force right now, but please be aware, we'll try to briefly discuss it at the end of the video here, but please be aware these levels of resistance may prove to be too strong for a first break or a first attempt to break through and a move higher. They weren't necessarily over the last couple of days, but we're starting to extend ourselves with a 50+% weekly gain. Now, I want to discuss this new proposal a little bit. You guys can go back and watch the video for a little bit more detail a couple days ago, talking about the dream team out there. But this proposal is set to spend $141,750 on Ed, Zardar, Tobias, which I believe is Zardar, and then two other guys that are going to be developers for the Terra Luna Classic Layer 1 Dream Team. And then I believe they have a couple junior developers and associate developers, and then $750 a month computer stipends and things like that. But it is here's the interesting part, guys, it is a full-time salary for these full-time developers. Now, I don't know if they are going to be working full-time. If you guys have seen any discussion about that, please let me know in the comments below. But if we are paying them a full-time salary, we should expect them to work full-time on Terra Luna Classic. And they've made it very clear that they have jobs outside of Terra Luna Classic. So this $12,500 a month salary that they are expecting is going to be pretty crazy if they expect that for a couple hours a week worth of work. I would never expect that of myself. I don't know if you guys would expect that of yourselves, and I certainly wouldn't expect it of anybody else. You have to remember, the community owns Terra Luna Classic. This is not owned by Terra Rebels. This is not owned by the Layer 1 Dream Team, or whatever they want to call themselves. This is not owned by anybody other than the community. Now, I know that some of those validators out there, like All Nodes with 17+% of the voting power, could easily push decisions one way or another. But when the community speaks up, these validators are listening. So if we're going to fork over 50% of the community pool, we need to make sure that we are going to get the work that we are paying for. $141,000, it's roughly $50,000 a month that these guys are asking for. That's a lot of money, guys. We need to make sure that we spend it right, especially knowing that the current community pool only has, I believe it's a little over 1.5 billion Terra Luna Classic in it, and these guys are asking at the current prices for roughly 800 million Terra Luna Classic. I don't actually know if their proposal is in US dollars or if their proposal is in Terra Luna Classic, but it was like 906 million Terra Luna Classic. But since the price is increasing, it would only be like 790 million Terra Luna Classic that they would need to cover that $141,000 a month. So definitely something to consider. It is a large chunk. It's going to be over half of the Terra Luna Classic community pool that they are requesting, and it's a big spend. So we need to make sure that it is going to be worth it, but it is absolutely going to shape the future of the Layer 1 blockchain that is Terra Luna Classic. So guys, let me know your thoughts on that down in the comments below. We are at that 18,000 point per coin level of resistance. If we break it, first level to look for, 20,000 points per coin. Beyond that, 23,000 points per coin. And if we get back up in that channel, it's going to be a very strong channel to get out of. But hey, it proved to be a very strong channel to break down through on the way back down as support. I want to know what you guys think about this rally. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Finance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.